So, what's up future RNs? I have a technique na mapag-differentiate ang bipolar 1, bipolar 2, cyclothymia, and dysthymia. So, eto na yon. So, eto. Always remember this and your middle finger. Your point finger will represent the mania, and your middle finger will represent the major depression. So, in bipolar 1, we have this. 1 lang siya. So, meron siyang mania, or with or without depression. This is your bipolar 1. So bipolar 2, ganto naman siya pero ganto. Why? Because 1 hypomania with major depression. Ito na yun yung bipolar 2 mo. Oh. Then, yung cyclothymia naman, ganto lang siya. Cyclothymia, this is it. Because you have hypomania, depression for 2 years and may 2 months interval. Oh. Then, kapag yung dysthymia naman, we have this. Why? Kasi ang meron lang sa kanya is persistent sadness. Pero not over 2 years. Not over 2 years. Yun lang.